reaction that's coming in from Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition. He has put out on social media that he believes Prime Minister Modi won't come to Parliament because he's scared and doesn't want to face the truth. This is the message from Rahul Gandhi. He says, as I said, Prime Minister Modi will not come to Parliament because he's scared and doesn't want to face the truth. This is what the Congress has been maintaining. Remember, Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, over the last 2 days has been trying to speak over General Naravane's unpublished memoir. Wasn't allowed to do so. And since then has been saying that is because the Prime Minister is scared, he fears the truth. And so with the Prime Minister not speaking today, or rather not being allowed to speak, Rahul Gandhi maintains that the reason that has happened is because Prime Minister Modi won't come to Parliament because he's scared and doesn't want to face the truth. Maushmi Singh is joining us with more details on this. Maushmi, the opposition is using this to their advantage. They're using this narrative that the Prime Minister is refusing to speak in the House.
See, Akshita, I saw what unfolded in the well of the House today. I was seated right there. And, the atmosphere was absolutely, confrontational, I can say. The opposition MPs started with sloganeering, and the Treasury benches were also ready to confront. It was aamne-samne sloganeering that was happening, and there was a big banner that the opposition leaders had. And post that, the women MPs started moving towards the Treasury benches. Somewhere they were calling out for Nishikant. What Rahul Gandhi is saying, he had said it in the afternoon also, that Pradhan Mantri ki himmat nahi hogi aaj house mein aane ki. But repeatedly it was said that Prime Minister would be speaking at 5 p.m.
Yeah.
At 4 p.m, let me tell you that Priyanka Gandhi met the speaker. The opposition MPs met the speaker, K.C. Venugopal, and Priyanka Gandhi apparently met the speaker. That the action will be taken against Nishikant Dubey for what he did and said in the House, which was, they said that a clear violation and a discrepancy as far as, rules, applying rules to the leader of opposition and applying rules to Nishikant Dubey is concerned.
Yeah.
But they said they were not happy with what the speaker said. The speaker told them that he will get back, the government will get back to him. And that didn't happen. It was clear that the House will not be allowed to run, and PM would not be allowed to speak.
Okay, so clearly, it was a strategy that the opposition put in place that they will not allow the Prime Minister to speak. And the messaging was very clear. They said that because the leader of opposition wasn't allowed to, why should the Prime Minister be allowed to speak without any sort of disruption? While Rahul Gandhi says this is because the Prime Minister is scared, he will not speak in Parliament, the reality is this, that there was a strategy in place not to make it conducive enough for the Prime Minister to come and address the House. The same can be said, of course, for Rahul Gandhi, who wasn't allowed to speak on the issue that he wanted to of that unpublished memoir. But while we're talking about really what the Congress said, and while Rahul Gandhi says here that the Prime Minister will not turn up because he's scared, the reality is that multiple Congress leaders, including the likes of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, had said, we will not allow the Prime Minister to speak because the LOP, the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, wasn't allowed to speak. So it was clearly a strategy by the opposition that the second the House reconvened at 5 p.m, they gathered in hordes, all women MPs, opposition women MPs, gathered and bunched up at the well of the House, right by the Treasury bench, holding up posters all facing the chair where the Prime Minister would usually sit.